Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be showing you how to replace the power cord and perform essential maintenance on your HS05 hairdryer. This process is straightforward but requires a few specific tools and careful attention to detail. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and electrical tape. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your hairdryer serviced without any hassle. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely powered down before proceeding. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws located at the handle of the hairdryer. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side. Set these screws aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle. You should see the internal components of the hairdryer, including the power cord connected to the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, identify the power cord connection. You will see 2 wires connected to the motor. Carefully cut the old power cord close to the connection points using your wire cutters. Be cautious not to damage any internal wiring. If you are unsure about this step, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Now, take your new power cord and strip about ½ inch of insulation from the ends of the wires. Connect the wires of the new power cord to the motor by twisting them together with the corresponding wires. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Once the connections are made, use electrical tape to cover the exposed wires. This will prevent any short circuits and ensure the safety of your hairdryer. Remember to double-check that all connections are properly insulated before proceeding. Now, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Align the handle back together and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the screws are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. After reassembly, plug the hairdryer back in and test it to ensure everything is working properly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring that you know the costs involved before any work begins. Finally, to maintain your hairdryer's efficiency, make it a habit to clean the air intake and filter regularly. This will help to prolong the life of your appliance and keep it running smoothly. If you require assistance with maintenance or if you'd like to avoid the hassle of DIY repairs, remember we provide no calls, no travel services for your convenience. Thank you for following along in this step-by-step tutorial on replacing the power cord and maintaining your HS05 hairdryer. With the right tools and a little patience, you can keep your hairdryer in great condition for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.